One of the hardest questions that I receive is, what does Amplified HR do? What can Amplified HR do for my company? And the reason I find that question so difficult is because the list is seemingly endless. There's so much that we can do for clients and prospective clients and to help them with their HR function and their business. The real question is, what is your pain point? What is causing you a friction in your company as it relates to your employees? Because there's a good chance Amplified HR can help you with that. So I thought it might be a nice little change to show you a list of, not an exhaustive list, but a list of most of the things that we can do for your company. So just check it out.